Alright, so you wanna earn money while sitting at your couch with your laptop or any smart device without doing much hard work and stuff, right? Well, you have to do the hard work at least, but all the rest can be achieved through doing affiliate marketing. So, some of you will be asking now, what is this affiliate marketing? So, here we go. Affiliate marketing is a process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product that they believe people would spend their money on and then promotes that product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. It is a quick and inexpensive method of making money without the hassle of actually producing a product. Furthermore, the consumer doesn't always need to buy the product for the affiliate to get a paycheck. Depending on the program, the affiliate's contribution to the seller's sales will be measured differently. More on to this, the affiliate may get paid in various ways. The first way is pay per sale. This is the standard affiliate marketing structure. In this program, the merchant pays the affiliate a percentage of the sale price of the product after the consumer purchases the product as a result of the affiliate's marketing strategies. In other words, the affiliate must actually get the consumer to make a purchase of the product or service to make money themselves. The second way is pay per lead. In this affiliate marketing structure, the affiliate must persuade the consumer to visit the merchant's website and complete the desired action, whether it's filling out a contact form, signing up for a trial of a product, subscribing to a newsletter, or downloading a software or a file. The third way is pay per click. This program focuses on encouraging the affiliate marketer to redirect consumers from their platform to the merchant's website. This means the affiliate marketer must motivate the consumer in a way that the consumer will move from their affiliate site to the merchant site. The affiliate is paid based on the increase in web traffic. So the first step would be to find the products to promote. And what you can do to accomplish this step is go on to the ClickBank website and find the products and services that you think people would want to spend their money for. And the best part of this, you can literally find products and services for anything you can imagine. Like, see, there are literally products of every category: arts and entertainment, business and investing, cooking, food, wine, education, employment and jobs, and so on. So go on and find the best suitable product you see fit. You can also search for a category or niche. So let's say, for example, I want to promote a product or service in make money niche. So I will type in search bar make money. You can also filter your results here. Now I will look for a product that has high average conversion rate, high recurring rebill, gravity, etc. So gravity is a number which represents a unique calculation by ClickBank that takes into account the number of different affiliates who earned a commission by promoting this product over the past 12 weeks. In simple words, just look for a product in the 10 to 30 range of gravity. You can also sort out your results here with various filters. So for example, I choose this one: Forex Trendy, the real solution FX traders want. Now I will click on promote and it will ask me for some details, and then it will provide me with an affiliate link to promote this product with. So in this case, it says this vendor requires affiliates to be pre-approved before being eligible to earn commissions promoting their products. This means you have to send them a request for the approval on this link. So we can skip this one and we can choose another one. So for example, let's take this 2021 update GeForce teeth and gums. So if we click on this, see, so it is asking me for some details, and if I provide it that details, it will provide me an affiliate link to promote this product with. So now that you know there are various ways of making money with affiliate marketing, you can choose what fits you best while picking up the product or service to promote. But what after having a product to promote? Of course, we need people to promote that product product too. So now we need traffic or leads like emails, contact numbers, etc. And now we will discuss methods for gaining these leads to promote our products too. Like there are several ways of getting paid in affiliate marketing, there are also several ways to generate leads for affiliate marketing. These ways could include having a blog or website, a YouTube channel, paid ads, etc. But the way I see it, the best way to generate leads is not to create a blog. Blogs and websites are quickly becoming outdated as the attention span of the average human is significantly dropping lower and lower by day. So what works? The best way of lead generation is to give away something of value for free. Create a simple funnel with a kick butt hook that gives something away for free. For example, see this. That's a funnel that can actually work. You don't know what's in the book, but you probably want it, right? Well, I'm going to give you some tips as to why it's so enticing. First, it's free. People respond well to things that are monetarily free, but you will still pay with the time it takes you to sign up for it and the effort it will take to read it. Second, the wording, 5-step formula, makes people think that it's easy as going step by step. In this case, it might be, but in most cases, it's just clickbait. Third, copywriting. It is actually forcing people to engage with the letters on the page by using red to emphasize the words. Free ebook, which is in red. Then the larger letters act to catch the reader's eye. Finally, to get the whole picture, the reader has to go from bigger words to smaller words. Fourth, the year. This ebook was actually published in 2019. So keeping that in mind, 2019 on the book tells the reader that this is recent material and has worked this year. So what is the best thing to give away for free? An ebook or a video? Well, actually video is the best thing to give away. A quick webinar or 15-minute free lesson will convert better than any written material. To get someone hooked and opening your letters more, give them a 2 or 3 day free course. That way they have to open their email every day to get more and more of the knowledge you are giving them. Then to top it all off and make sure someone will open almost all of your emails, throw in an additional free video, ebook or PDF. So I hope you liked this quick guide to make $20,000 per month with affiliate marketing. If you want me to make more videos explaining further with more proven ways of making money with affiliate marketing, then do let me know in the comment section below. And also comment down which method do you think is the best for making money with affiliate marketing. So that's all for now. I'll see you soon with my next video. Peace.